Hello, this is Mrs. Liu. Let us look at this chemistry question. A compound with molecular formula C2H4O2 dissolves readily in water to form an aqueous solution. When this aqueous solution reacts with magnesium and limestone respectively, bubbles of colorless gases are produced. What is the structural formula of this compound? Okay, so which compound do you think can react with magnesium, which is a metal, and limestone, which is calcium carbonate, respectively? Can you think of any substance that can react with metal and carbonate both at the same time? I mean, in different experiments. Yes, you're right. It must be an acid. Okay, so organic acids we know must have the COOH functional group. So we look for the acid. So we know that A is an acid. Therefore, A is the answer. How about B? B only has the OH, but doesn't have the COOH. So this is only the hydroxyl functional group, which is the alcohol. So this is not the answer because you need a acid functional group, which is the COOH. This is not an acid functional group, so it's not the answer. And this one doesn't have the COOH functional group either, okay? Hence the answer is A. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.